Okay guys, today we are watching when Csgo pros have crazy moment. Let's start. Oh my god. Very nice. Very silence. Yes, okay. I'm jumping on my teammates. Oh my god, what the fuck. Yeah. Like very cool. Oh my god, nice shot again. Yes, nice headshot. Very clean shot.
The two players in trophy are left, and
Yeah,
Nate, this could
okay.
be the second on the board for 9Z.
Very
What a
patient.
turnaround it
Oh
would
my
be.
god.
Bruno,
Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Yes, oh my god. Okay, I like a Terminator. Yes, very clean moment. Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah. Very different. Oh my god. Yes, nice fight. Nice shoot. Nice shoot. Very nice shoot. Oh my god. Yeah. Very clear. God. Very nice. Yes. That's it. Oh my god. Nice reflex. Okay. Just helping your teammates. Oh my god. Nice shooting. Hello, my mate. Very nice collaboration. Very nice. I'm losing my mind. Yeah. He's very fast. Oh my god. Like a jumping. Like a Super Mario. Oh my god. Very nice shoot. What the fuck? Okay, very nice shot. Yes. He cannot see anything. Okay, what the fuck was that? Very huge moment. Yes, nice headshot. Nice shot again. Oh my god, very nice reflex. Yes. He can't see anything. Oh my god, nice shot. Very clean shot again. He is very no mercy. Oh my god. Where are you? Yes, very silence. Oh my god. Oh my god, very nice place. It is very horrible. This is very horrible. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, nice. Very fast. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, it is really... Yeah, nice shots. Oh my god. What the hell? What the fuck was that? I am stuck. Oh my god, very clever. Very clever moment. It's a very nice game. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yes.
10 seconds. Alexi needs to somehow get this bomb down uncontested. Will Roller brave it? Surely you just hold W. And he is. Running him down. Running him down. Alexi straight crowd. Oh!
Yes. Oh my god. Very huge moment. Okay. Very nice. Very nice again. I love it. Very well. Yes. Oh my god, nice shoot. Very correct shoot. Welcome my mates.
To the CT side, unfortunately for them, that's where they
Yeah.
are.
Okay, well, let's find out if that's enough.
Oh my god, what the fuck was that?
Still somehow connects, and now they're going to try and see if they can run it down.
Very
Finally, started
nice.
Jumping.
You didn't shoot, guys.
He gets one.
Okay, he is. Oh my god, very fast and nice reflex. Oh my god, yes. Yes, very nice. Very dangerous. Yes. Nice team.
Brave, elevated, looks away for a moment, bit with a trade. Brokey needs this, and he's all shut down long range.
Oh my god. Is it really a very nice moment? Thank you guys for watching. May I have a good day. Thank you.